This is Filipino Chicken Adobo. Next to Sinigang and Laing, this is one of my favorites. Whenever I make this, it makes me miss one of my best friends, Joy Maria. She always makes this and it's always so delicious. She always do it with the chicken wings. I always request her to make this and she always requests for me to make papaya salad. From all my friends, I tried different kind of adobos because I understand each family makes it differently. This is so simple to make, guys. First, you're gonna smash your desired amount of garlic cloves. This is gonna help release its natural flavor. If not, you can mince them as well. Next, in a pot or a pan, add in your cut of chicken. I'm using quarter legs today. You can use chicken thighs, chicken wing. Next, add in your bay leaves and whole peppercorn, followed by your soy sauce, vinegar, and chicken bouillon. Cover this with the lid and bring it to a boil. Bring this to medium-high heat and let it simmer for the next 15 to 30 minutes. The sauce will evaporate and reduce, so go ahead and add in a little bit of water. Let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes, then you're gonna go ahead and flip the chicken to the other side. Continue cooking this for the next 15 to 20 minutes, so this way the sauce can reduce and we get that thick glazed sauce. Now I do understand that each family makes this differently and everybody has their own take on this. I love this because I've done it where I marinate it overnight, I've done it where I sear or saute it in the beginning, but the results are always the same. Chicken adobo is delicious. Next, strain the broth, remove the chicken and place it in a pot or a pan. On high heat, add vegetable oil to pan. We're gonna give this a sear on each side 2 to 3 minutes. Once complete, go ahead and pour it back in your sauce and you're gonna let this reduce and thicken. It's gonna give it a beautiful glaze. Wow, look at that. That looks incredible. Simple as that, we are done. Dinner is served. Chicken adobo is so hearty, delicious, and comforting. That soy sauce on vinegar is everything. It's savory, it's umami, you get a little bit of tang. On jasmine rice, it becomes a meal that is so well balanced. When you bite into the chicken, it's so tender because when you bite into the chicken skin, you can taste that sear and it packs so much flavor. If you know, you know. You can use whatever kind of cut you want for the chicken. I did quarter leg. It's so delicious. You can do chicken wing, chicken thighs, bay leaves, soy sauce, vinegar. All you do is reduce and simmer, reduce and simmer. Be at the beginning or at the end, give it a sear and you're done. This is such a beautiful meal. Garlicky, it's tangy from the vinegar. It's like a soy sauce base, it's braised. The chicken is so tender. So whenever I get to have it, when my friends make it, I get so happy because they get to try different ones and I learn like they put different ingredients in it. Me, I just did the white vinegar and the soy sauce. Simmered it and have the sauce thicken. Did a chicken bouillon too. And I just have the fat render out. So it has just so much flavor. This is the smashed garlic cloves. I love it. You want to bite into the peppercorn. This is heavenly. Peppercorn, be careful with it. I keep biting into it.